Good evening, ISEC in India. This is Anand Bhardwaj. I belong to ISEC Baroda. Throughout the 4 years that I have been in ISEC, I realized that this is an organization where you come across opportunities and situations and people of different kind and who have different things to do in ISEC and outside of ISEC too, which speaks of the diversity that we all experience in this wonderful organization. Now, I had a very brilliant 4 years in ISEC. I learned a lot. I've dealt with different things, different teams, and the experience has been wonderful. But as we all know, this is not where it stops, and it should always be better. And that is the reason why I'm applying for the member committee of ISEC in India 2011-2012. Now, before I tell you the big ideas that I have for both the portfolios, I want to tell you why I'm looking at these two portfolios for being on the member committee. Firstly, because the first portfolio I'm applying for is external relations, and I'm applying because that is what I've done all throughout my ISEC in Baroda career. It's ER and it's in my blood, and it's a portfolio that I really love because that's what makes me the person I am, and that has changed me a lot. The second portfolio I'm applying for is local community development, and the reason is that is exactly what I've done last 1 year as LCP of ISEC in Baroda. I've made sure that we improve on the processes. I've made sure we implement a lot of synergies. I've seen to it that I lead the team well enough to be able to reach the targets and the visions that we have set for ourselves. And that's exactly what the BPLCT needs to do for all the local committees in ISEC in India. Right. Moving on, ironically, this video is supposed to be about a big idea I have for each of the local or each of the portfolios, but I'm more inclined towards talking to you about the small important things that I really want to set right for ISEC in India. Right. For local community development, there are two major things. One is ultimately ISEC India willing to drive down the whole association to achieve the organizational goals we have for 2015 or be the ideal ISEC country by virtue of every local committee trying to be the ideal local committee. Right. My point is that as VP LCD, I will firstly make sure that ISEC is present in every state possible, because India is huge and we have like 23 local committees including expansions, and that's very less considering the kind of demography India is. Right. So one big thing would be we need to expand, and we need to expand aggressively, be it in universities, be it small entities as what we've discussed in NSC, and the plan is to have at least 40 functioning ISEC units all over India, and ISEC should be present in every state of India, and that would at least be the first step towards a bigger goal of being able to impact every human being, every young person for the world. Moving ahead, external relations is the second portfolio I'm applying for, and what we see in this portfolio is it has become very reserved and limited about just fundraising, and we all know there's a lot more to it. Right? And the major thing that is missing that I would like to work on is going by the impact ISEC India is doing by doing the highest number of exchanges possible in the ISEC network. Right? We are not designing any product with designs which revolves around exchange. There's a global internship program, but building on learning networks and making sure we leverage on this impact and this exchange portfolio that we have, the thousands of trainees that come to ISEC in India all through the year throughout the local committees. ISEC India needs to develop a project or a product based on exchange that we do, and see to if more stakeholders can be part of this international program.